Welcome to Snail Trail 4x4, another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today we're going to be discussing buying used tires offline. Offline? Online. We're going to buy them online, use them offline. Welcome to Snail Trail 4x4, I'm Jimmy Jet, and today I'm going to talk to you about buying tires online, especially used tires, because I just learned a valuable mistake. And I want to share this problem, what I learned, to you guys so that you don't have this problem in the future. Here in California, there's an actual time or a date, an age of the tire that the big box companies won't mount and balance those tires. And I had just bought some tires and I found them online. They looked great and I trusted the guy. You know, a total stranger, but, you know, he said everything, and I went and looked at the tires, and everything looked great. So I grabbed them, and I went to the big box shop, and they told me, nope, you can't mount these. They're too old. And so then I went and found a mom and pop shop, and I got them mounted, but they didn't have a balancing machine. So then I threw them in the back of Lloyd and took the tires to go get balanced, even though they're mounted, and still the big box shop told me, nope, can't do it. The tires are still too old. I went to multiple locations and nobody would mount or balance them because there's an age of a tire. So I want to drop 2 minutes down on the clock and I want to tell you about how to find the age of your tire. Let's drop 2 minutes down. Boom. So I got these brand new KO2s. I bought them straight from a big box store because I was tired of getting ran around in the hassle, and everything I was finding online was quite expensive, so I just opted to spend a few $100 more and get some brand new tires. So I'll have these for quite a while. I think they look great. I went up from the 29s that are there on the right side to the 32s of these new tires. They're BFG KO2s, and they look so good on Lloyd. I'm so happy. But I wanted to show you here how to find the size of your tire. So what you need to do is you need to find this dot symbol. Then the last numbers on that dot symbol, so you can see it's 1911. I'm not entirely sure what the 19th means. Maybe somebody can let me know down in the comments. But I know that the 11 means that it was made in 2011. Though here in California, that one is now too old for the big box companies to mount and balance. So I think that's crazy, because that still has tons of tire left. There's tons of tread on there, and it still looks like a great tire. Not cracking or anything. So here are my 37 MTRs that I run on Bobcat. Has the DOT symbol here, and then it has those numbers sort of running this way. And so the last two numbers are 69, so I'm not sure if I don't think it's that direction. I think you're supposed to read it this way. This one says 3406. So I believe those were made in 2006. So you can definitely tell those are old. These guys are munched on, crunched on, almost no tread anyway. They're done. I'm going to be probably getting some new tires for Bobcat here soon. But that's what I wanted to show you. So these are made in 2006. These ones are made in 2011. Now that you have a good understanding of how to find the age of the tire, hopefully you don't make that same mistake I did, where I went out and bought some nice looking tires, but they just happen to be too old to get mounted and balanced. What are some other things that you should look for while you're buying used tires? Check out the tread depth. You know, you just don't want to buy a completely bald tire, something that's might be still of age but doesn't have any tread left. You know, you're not going to want that. Sidewalls, look out those sidewalls, make sure that they're not cracking. You know, there's no scratches on them, no footballs popping out or any other those issues there. So when you inflate that tire, it's not going to pop in your face. The inner seal where the bead is, you want to make sure that there's not any tire wear or rot in that area. You want to make sure that it's nice and clean so you could have a good seal for where that is. Also, if you can look on the inside of the tire, make sure that there's no patches or no plugs in there so that you have, you know, the best tire that you are purchasing, the best tire that you can purchase. Thanks for watching this episode of Snail Trail 4x4, where hopefully I can teach you all from my mistakes. If there's anything you want me to cover in a 2-Minute Tuesday, please put the comment below. Hammer down on that subscribe button, and don't forget, keep crawling.
Snail Trail 4x4.